Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now, all we need to do is to find the contacts so we can be able to block or unblock users. And to find the contacts, you will be needing to go to the send and request tab or menu. And in my case, I'm using the web app and basically the send tab, we can find it here from this header or this menu and we can simply click on send. And basically now we can see these options. There is the send where you can start sending payments to other people, for example, this one. And there is the request where you can request payments from uh, other users. And of course, there is the contacts. Here we are going to find all the contacts that we have or all our contacts. And simply, you will need just to search for the blocking or the user that you want to block, uh, blocked. And basically, you just search and they will start appearing here in this searching bar. So you will be needing just to click on the person and basically by clicking on the user here, by clicking on it, you will find a pop-up that will be showing. And basically by in the pop-up, you will find the block option or block user option, and you will need just to click on it. After that, you will be needing to confirm your choice, and by confirming, you will be able to block the person. And after you block him, you will start viewing the blocked person here in the blocked contacts list. And from here, you will be able to find all your blocked contacts, and then you can unblock them whenever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.